There's already a large amount of products out there trying to fill the gap. I also found that even with all these solutions, some of the problems weren't being met or weren't being solved. One of these problems was the amount of wreckage and salvageable material that wasn't being utilised or used at all. After the disaster, there would be a mountain of wreckage. I realised pretty quickly that I couldn't target everywhere, so I really needed to narrow down where I wanted to target. I ended up choosing Southeast Asia and Pacific, which means floods and tsunamis. In terms of the performance, I really needed I needed the shelter to be able to use salvaged material, as well as being able to be modified with other salvaged material. So lengths of pipe and sticks and that kind of stuff need to be used, or need to be able to be used in the product. The product also needs to be relatively space saving due to. I also found that the Red Cross works on a 3-tier system. So the more threatened someone is in terms of their housing, kind of goes up in the higher their tier. So in the first one, basically it's a repair kit, and then the last one is basically a full tent. How it works, basically, there's two main mechanisms in it. The first one is kind of an umbrella kind of mechanism, which allows it to span out like that. And then the second one is the clamping system, which is basically these spring-loaded pivot points. And so the material goes, you pull it back, the material goes in there, and then when you let it go, this grips onto the